Welcome to Market Peeker. If you've ever tried making a crypto transaction and balked at the extra cost, you've encountered gas fees. But what are they? And how can you keep them in check? Let's break it down. Gas fees are the charges you pay to process transactions on a blockchain. Think of it as a service fee for using the network. On blockchains like Ethereum, these fees compensate miners or validators for the computing power required to confirm your transaction. Why do gas fees vary? They depend on network demand. If there's a surge of activity, like during NFT drops or DeFi launches, fees can skyrocket. The type of transaction also matters. Complex smart contracts often cost more than simple token transfers. So, how can you reduce gas fees? Choose the right time. Gas fees are lower when the network is less busy, often during off-peak hours. Use Layer 2 solutions. Platforms like Arbitrum and Optimism run on Ethereum, but offer faster, cheaper transactions. Set gas limits strategically. Some wallets let you adjust gas fees manually, but be careful. Low fees might delay your transaction. One quick tip. If you're regularly paying high gas fees, consider switching to a blockchain with lower costs, like Binance Smart Chain or Solana.